Welcome to the Inception HD. Let's take a look versus the competition. If you want safety, we have LED lights. The competition is going to have halogens. If you want a better ride, safety, traveling enhancement going down the road, the 295 wheels on the Inception HD product is going to set ourselves against the competition that is doing 275s. Because of the 295 wheels, you're going to get the best storage in the industry. The only place you're going to find true 15K towing is right here. Inside the Inception HD by Thor Motor Coach, you will find yourself sleeping in an overhead bunk that is 800 pounds, that is 58 by 80 inches, big enough to where you can fit 2 to 3 people with an ambient skylight. The Inception HD 34XG is 34 feet of heated porcelain tile floors, the shortest S2RV floor plan in the industry, further elevating us from the competition. The Inception HD on the S2RV chassis is going to have 3 floor plans with triple slides, giving you the most space, comfort for your travels with your family.
You're going to get the best price on this amazing Super C at Motorhome Specialist. Call us today at 800-335-6054.